The Vivo X400 Ultra 5G is shaping up to be a powerhouse flagship, combining cutting-edge performance with extreme storage and photography capabilities. It features a stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display that promises silky smooth visuals and vibrant colors, perfect for gaming and multimedia. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of storage, ensuring lightning-fast multitasking and virtually limitless space for apps, games, and media. Photography enthusiasts will be blown away by the 400MP main camera, delivering unparalleled detail and clarity. The 8,500 mAh battery, complemented by 120W fast charging, guarantees long-lasting usage and ultra-quick recharges, making the Vivo X400 Ultra 5G a complete package for performance, display, camera, and endurance.